Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we have some amazing machines that are on the next level. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Dutchman Industries. Shifting a tree was almost impossible before spade machines. Thanks to tree spades like Dutchman's spade trucks, its specialized features help to mechanize the transplanting of large plants, bushes, and small or medium trees. Nowadays, tree spades are widely used in tree nurseries to increase production rates and for tree removal and transplantation in the landscaping industry. With this sharp spade tool and its hydraulic system, you can dig 100 inches. Number 2. Cleantech INFRA. In this clip, the machine you are watching now is a floating trash skimmer. It is used for collecting floating trash and litter, such as plastics, bottles, and other waste, etc. Cleantech INFRA swims with 2 propellers, which are on both sides. It gives full control to its driver to target the trash. Its gates are designed to catch as much garbage as possible. Conveyor belts along with entrances are used to transfer the trash to storage. This floating beast can store 20 cubic meters of waste. Number 3. PONZI PLC, which is a forest harvester. It is used for forestry vehicles employed in cut-to-length logging operations for felling, delimbing, and bucking trees. A typical harvester has a chainsaw to cut the tree at its base, 2 or more curved delimbing knives which reach around the trunk to remove branches, and 2 feed rollers to grasp the tree. The wheels are driven to the cut tree stem through the delimbing knives. There are also diameter sensors to calculate the volume of timber. Turning a tree into 8 separate logs is no problem for it. Number 4. VonDom Drainage. As you know, the drainage system plays a crucial role in the growth of agricultural crops. One such drainage builder is VonDom Drainage. It can be used for building 2 different types of drainage systems. Chain diggers are used when an open trench is required, while on the other hand, a V-type plow is used for modern drainage techniques known as a trenchless drainage system. It is applied where open trenches are not required. The advantages of trenchless drainage with VonDom Drainage are it results in less sagging, no loss of breeding soil, and no damage to any turf. Number 5. BECX Machines. Hedges grow up every week, and maintaining a big garden is not easy. But now BECX machines are available for support. Its sharp trimmer enables you to work like a pro at a faster pace. Moreover, you don't have to waste time cleaning the waste. It automatically collects the trash in a bucket. It's robust, safe, fast, and noise-free. BECX machine is available with different trimming blade sizes, so you can order it according to your need. Number 6. VANDAELE construction. Weed brushes are used to mechanically remove weeds from streets, pavements, footpaths, curbs, bicycle paths, etc. VANDAELE's weed brush can be mounted on several types of vehicles. You can install it on the front or back. Depending on whether or not there is a curb, you have the choice between two different brushes, conical brush or cylindrical brush. Both brushes can be mounted on the same frame. Number 7. Govan. Farmers use wrapping methods to preserve hay for a long time. A wrapping machine that has been helping them for years is a masterpiece made by Govan. Its two-arm fully automatic system can wrap round or square bales. Its double wrapping feature enhances the performance and cuts down film consumption by up to 20%. Although it's totally automatic, you can control it remotely. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we release a new video. See you next time.